children, let us practice what we have learnt in the last class. Okay. Cat, cow, crow, dog, hen, duck, pig, pigeon. Very good. Now, see here children. What is this? This is a dog. Here, see here children. Many dogs. How to say in a sentence? These are dogs. Here one dog. So this is a dog. Here many dogs. These are dogs. Now, what is this children? This is a cat. This is a cat. Here many cats. These are cats. What is this? This is a hen. Here these are hens. This is a hen. These are hens. Now, this is a pig. These are pigs. This is a pigeon. These are pigeons. Now, this is a duck. These are ducks. Very good children. ಒಂದೇ ಇರುವಾಗ this is ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವಾಗ these are ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೌ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇದು ನಾಯಿ ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಾಗ್. ಅದು ನಾಯಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದು ನಾಯಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಾಗ್. ಅದು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅದು ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Let us practice. This is a dog. That is a dog. This is a cat. That is a cat. This is a pig. That is a pig. This is a hen. That is a hen. This is a pigeon. That is a pigeon. This is a what? This is a duck. That is a duck. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಅದು ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳುದು? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್. Those are dogs. These are ducks. Those are ducks. These are cats. Those are cats. These are hens. Those are hens. These are pigs. Those are pigs. These are pigeons. Those are pigeons. Understood children? You woo. These are woo. Those. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to practice this sentence. Okay? Ella practice ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿಯಲ್ಲ? Very good children. Let us meet in the next class. See you children. Bye.